Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to enroll. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Enrolling a student in PowerSchool depends on whether you're a parent or guardian, school staff or administrator. So if you are a new student, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in powerschool.com. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is or visit your school's district enrollment website. Simply search for your district enrollment website and then look for a link like new student registration or enroll now. Then simply create an account on the enrollment portal if it's your first time and complete the online form providing student and parent info, previous school details, emergency contacts, health records, proof of residency, and once done, upload required documents such as birth certificate, immunization records, and registration proof, example utility bill. Then once done, what you need to do is submit the form and wait for a confirmation email or call from the school. If you are enrolling a returning student, districts often send a returning student registration link via email to the PowerSchool parent or portal. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.